Vision: expanding the right choice for real-life education in Southern Luzon. To be aware to the vital role of life education, LC is committed to: first, provide holistic higher education and technical vocational program which are valued by stakeholders. 2. Transform the youth into the world-class professional who creatively respond to ever-changing world of work. 3. Advance production to improve human life and address societal needs. 4. Engage in various products that aim to build strong community relation and involvement. 5. Promote compliance with quality assurance in both service delivery and program development. Core values: L. Love of God. C. Competent, committed, compassion in the service. I. Innovative minds. A. Aspiring people. N. Noble dreams.